704. LS Swap Shop. What's going on, man?
If I had egg man.
Big as hell. I'm gonna cut this out. Y'all can't see this. It's sitting in there though.
Hey, how long is it gonna take to put the dash in? Huh? The dash, Digi dash. Who? The Digi dash. I don't know who is supposed to be doing it.
He said Zay supposed to be putting it in.
This shit, they gonna take that. Every time I'm long, like an hour, 2 hours. I heard about that. About that long. I'm not saying skip that on the road.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Slow 704, and I told you we got some good content coming. Let's just say we're going to pick up the car. We're going to pick it up today. Today's the day. It should be done. Hopefully they ain't break nothing like they did last week. And yeah, we towing it back. That we gonna got. So really, I ain't even gonna say we. I'm gonna say my boy Oscar Reckless Flea on YouTube. Go subscribe. Drop likes on his videos, go hop in his comment section, go to his Instagram, follow him on Instagram, like all his pictures on Instagram. He to the point where he fed up. We drove last week and we was gonna drive the car back, let it have his little break in, but nothing was right with it when we got there. As they were saying, the car was ready, but it wasn't. So this week, we're not gonna drive it back. We're gonna tow it. We're gonna go get a little U-Haul and a little trailer, and we're gonna throw it on the U-Haul. I go to SS, Reckless Flea SS. So look, when we get the U-Haul, man, that's probably when I'm gonna get back on the camera. Tune into that last video, drop a like. Make sure y'all drop a like. Get in that comment section, get some feedback. Feedback is always good. We want all of that. What was I about to say? Yeah, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Slow 704, bring y'all content. Stay with me. We out.
Make sure you double check the gas in the mall before you leave. If the gas does, you cannot hold up the phone, bring the car to you later.
We are at the U-Haul. U-Haul. Finna bring our truck to us. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Slow 704, and we at the U-Haul. We made it. We about to hit this road. I think this our trailer. Maybe not. Yeah, that's a bike trailer. So that ain't us. But this is the absolute, the money coming home, man. It's coming home. We're not going home without it. So we getting ready to get loaded up. We at the U-Haul. Hey, my boy, Reckless Flea say, done or not, that car coming home. So yeah, we're going to get it. It's that part, this is part 2. My part 1 video gonna be late, cause I wasn't gonna do a part 1. I was gonna give it to y'all all at once, but you know, I decided, because the video actually was kind of long. Part 1 turned out to be a video, so we made it a part 1. It's really just gonna be like a little split of the. Nah, I'm gonna give it all. I'm gonna give it to y'all in sections. Give y'all something to look forward to, and make sure y'all watch to the end, from the beginning to the end. Don't skip. Don't pause and leave it, because you might forget. Look, if you're gonna pause it, grab some food, come on back. Don't leave, man. You're gonna miss something that you know you don't want to miss. And look, LS swap. Ain't no capping it. It's LS swap. Got that U-Haul, y'all. We not playing.
Yeah, man. I know I went down there last time, man, and we didn't even pick up the car because the bitch couldn't stop. I would have had a trailer, but I would have still took my
Oh, yeah. That's what we needed the first time. This our U-Haul, man. We're gonna pull up with it. Oh, yeah, for sure. They got a big U-Haul facility. It's pretty damn big. Hey man, just make sure y'all tune in, beginning to the end, start to finish. Hit the like, don't skip nothing, don't pause it. Just watch the video from the beginning to the end, because you don't want to miss out on nothing. We got some content coming for y'all, and it's all gonna be worth the watch. Look, we're going to pick up this Monte Carlo today, and we not even gonna waste no time. Once we get there, like, we just gotta get the car and go. Cause last week we ran into some problems. The car was not ready, had fuel issues. No, it wasn't getting no fuel to the fuel rails. They was kind of acting kind of weird too, like not telling us enough. And then we had to keep kicking out money for stuff we wasn't even leaving with. So we on a mission. This video is two men on the mission. We got to pick up the car so we can get it back, paint and body. They've been waiting, so we got to get there. So we getting the truck right. Y'all can see we little pre-trip. We getting that right, and once we good, man, we gonna fill up, get a little bite, and we gone. You know, slow up. Reckless Fleet ain't come to play. We came to goddamn get some shit done. Came to bring y'all some good content today. So stay tuned. Hit that like now. Right now. Hey Fleet, tell them hit that like button.
Hit that like button, man. We putting in OT work, bro. Look, we woke up at 7 this morning. It's 8:26. We putting in work, man. We still working our 9 to 5 jobs.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So y'all hear it. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Like, drop a couple comments. I want to know how y'all feeling. I want to know what questions y'all got. I want to know everything. So get in that comment section. And yeah, stay tuned. Hit that road, Jack. What's up, YouTube fam? Pit stop. Gotta get some gas because we don't eat. And man, am I hungry, so we finna go get some food. How far are we in?
About like 2.5. Oh, you be using
About halfway there.
Yeah, we grinding, man. Y'all
We
got
go from yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. But this truck drives so good, y'all. Like you can't even really feel it. And you can, but you can't. Make sure we good. I'm still tight. What? They don't want to take the 40?
So, bro, he say that won't give us a full tank. They gave us right above full.
This 40?
I told you, bro. I knew it was gonna take that much to fill this bitch up. Bro. I already knew it wasn't.
It's a
It
gas
ain't got no
truck.
gas cap. What?
Yeah, it do. It's like built in.
Oh, that shit
This
crazy.
part. We made it.
Y'all about to
We made it.
Now y'all about to
We made it.
check it out. See what it
We
is.
made it to the LS swap shop. All right, guys, we made it to the shop. LS swap shop. We made it here in Georgia. We made it. Ready to load her up. It's definitely yours. It's definitely yours. She running. Hey, let me find out they don't throw a blower on that bitch. Let me stop. Hey, then they goddamn shoot. He telling you she ready. He telling you, bro. He telling you what's good, what's good. He telling you she ready.
I smell turtle feet. Y'all smell that out there? Okay,
Alright,
that's
good,
good.
man.
Same old shit, man.
That is humming, ain't it?
I smell turtle soup outside that shit.
She humming, ain't she? That ship in there.
You gotta go back to the damn body shop. Do a whole service, man.
That motherfucker got sideways. It's gonna spin them folds, dog. I think so.
Yeah, it's like you got to.
That ain't done it yet. That's next.
Whatever was in there, it had the 350 motor in it. When I had brought it, the dude had that shit already. Had 62 out there. They called 373.
That bitch spit folding on that, man.
What do you think of good gear with that setup? What do you think of good gear? Oh, he walked that bitch. What gears you think would be good for that setup?
373.
That's what everybody's saying.
24 gonna knock it down a little bit, so you better ride the highway.
That's what everybody say, 373. That's what everybody do, for real.
Show him a carburetor setup, DJ.
Hey, that bitch walk. That bitch walk.
Oh, I gotta get the whatchamacallit. Ew, look at that. That's an LS carburetor.
It got headers on it. That bitch humming.
That's what it is.
Okay, but just off of that, how you react? Don't blow it up though. Hey, you hear me though? Having fun there.
change it different day. You just come in here and play with it.
Okay.
Come in here and play with it so you can get familiar with it. Google it.
All right.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I was watching a couple of
There
videos
you
on
go.
it this morning.
Yeah, show you got all your gauges, all your sensors, different dashes. You just go in, play with it to where you feel it's comfortable. As far as the car running, it's gonna tune itself.
Right,
so you ain't got to worry about that. Your shifter is regular, just a slap.
Okay.
It ain't nothing hard about it.
All right. So it's like, what is it? Drive,
Park,
neutral.
reverse, neutral, drive, 1, 2. So
Okay.
park, reverse, neutral, drive,
All right.
drive 2.
All right. Cool. All right. Cool.
As far as that though, good to go, man. Close that door for me.
Yeah, drive.
Oh, yo. Can I drive the road right quick? Yeah. Get on drive in for the video.
Let me go get the gas.
All right, tempo.
That just sounds good. Let me see you ride. You finna feel it?
Like shit on that car, man. The motherfucker gonna ride.
Man, only thing I want to do to it now is AC. I don't want to fuck with it no more. AC? Yeah, that's it. Put the AC.
Sound like me.
Yeah, that's it. Man, yeah. That too, but I already got the wheels for it. That's why I want to fuck with the rear end. Cause then I fuck with it and the wheels don't sit how I want them to. Then I be fucked up.
The SUV?
Oh man.
Electric man.
Dad need to go somewhere and goddamn. I still feel that shit, bro. That truck just shot me.
I tried to tell him about the LS4. I was trying to get him to put the intake on it. He said nah.
Oh yeah. Oh he said no for the intake.
He said no. I was like damn. But then I probably have to drop that off anyways. You want to get some gas?
Oh, what you trying to do that TBSS intake?
With the steering wheel? Yeah.
What do you think of good gear with that setup? What you think of good gear? Oh, he walked that bitch. What gear you think would be good for that setup? That's what everybody's saying.
24 gonna knock it down a little bit, so you better ride the highway.
That's what everybody say, 373. That's what everybody do, for real.
It's not.
He came up.
But it run down good though. It runs down good. It ain't gonna overheat. Try that bit when you want it to.
That's what test drives are for.
Exactly. And same with the tuning, like, it's good for this little test drive.
Yeah, that's why I was like, man, I'd rather do it now until we get 4 hours now to come back up there.
Basic tuning.
Yeah. It's a big ass radiator.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Oh, I see what you were saying about that intake. Nah, that shit right there. Damn.
What, you gotta go that way with the intake?
Yeah, well, I seen one like I wanted to go, like a drop down type shit.
Yeah,
That's
here's
it,
one of the
man.
come. That's for like an F body.
Yeah,
The Camaro right there.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
what those are
Okay,
for.
yeah.
That's exactly what you were saying.
Yeah. Yeah, like that
Like
silver.
that air ram shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, that motherfucker ain't work for them.
Oh my God, man.
Look, bro, we been forgetting this parking pass. We done came up here on how many times, but got
your
that parking.
neighborhood,
Hell yes, bro.
You're parked behind my car.
Got that shit so many times, man.
I'll get a big sticker open. I might be just open that.
Yeah, the red top. We gotta see about that shit too.
It's right here. You just put it in and charge it up.
Yeah, bet. Yeah. Cool.
Where's that?
You come up? No, I was talking about him about his daddy.
Yeah, I'm gonna let Jason do his thing. I should have went to Jason the first time, bro. Fuck, man.
And the best part about it, you got to put your hands on it somewhere.
Yeah. you right.
Bro, I
Watch
don't
out, bro.
get these trenches big dog.
I got to take this porch off.
Somebody, please tell me somebody give me more. Yes, thank you, God. They knew I needed some money.
That might be your car.
Yeah, that went down car.
Oh, let me get
Trying to
your
sell that before we.
the trunk.
Bruh, guess what, man? So you know I got who I can't say the name on camera, but you know who I'm talking about. I got who build me my kicker pods, right? I know he gonna take forever in the day. I'm doing so he building the bottom pods at the bottom and the pods that go up here for my tweets and stuff. So you know he gonna take forever in the day. So now you come back here, I wanted him to do some 6.5s back there. I know he gonna take, cause you see, yeah, build me a deck so I can get it. Yeah, right. Exactly.
Big 15 Scar Audio.
Them bitches knocking too.
Don't sleep. The crunch winging for the highs, but
the crunch coming out, y'all. That's definitely coming out.
It's not even permanent.
Yeah. And then I got, y'all, when I first put the system in, I got a 7K amp. The 7K amp, it kind of like, I think I had the ohm level was wrong on it. So it fucked up the hell, yeah, fucked the amp up, bro. The 215s.
Oh, hell yeah. Let me borrow one of these. Just put in my car.
Bro, you don't even believe how I came up on them neither, man. But hell yeah, man. I'm that 4-channel coming out though. Yeah. She knocking though. She knocking.
These EVLs or SDR?
They the ZV something. The ZV something. They ZV something.
No, them scars, my boy.
They scars.
This shit sound like
hit back here.
This shit sound like
hit back here.
This shit sound like
hit back here. I never looked in this trunk, bro.
I find it through this.
Oh yeah.
Bro, I had a 7K Black Ice amp, but when I plugged them up, that might come on.
Real, like, that's what he do.
I might hit him up. I need an
Shoot
intro.
videos and all that shit, bro.
I need somebody to edit. I need somebody to make an intro. Oh yeah, I need that. I'll follow him. Bro, my other phone that. Hold on, you got Instagram?
Yeah.
Q Productions.
Oh, dropping dubs.
You got that bit insulated
Shoot me a DM. I'll put your
Yeah, I did the before it came here. It was at the paint shop. He did the floors. He redid the T-tops.
This a sealed box?
Nah, I got a port on it. It's on the back on one of them sides. They got a port. I think it's on that side. Close to that side. Feel on it.
Oh, right
yeah.
They got big square.
Yeah, dude. So look, he made the box the first time and he made it too big. He made it like a box Chevy and it wouldn't fit in there, so he had to redo it.
Yeah, this motherfucker, he probably hit on it.
Hell yeah, she knocking.
do it.
But the thing is, like, it hit so damn hard that amp ain't keeping up with that. That little crunch ain't got to come out. I need to put some more highs in it though, cause the highs go up before any damn thing.
Tell you the truth. Nah, this bitch I got my high pad filters on it.
How you say use both? You use that amp on both?
Yeah.
No, cause guess what? One of these sub probably 2,500.
I think it's either 15 or 2. It's 15 or 2. I had a 7K on there, but that 7K I fucked it up.
That go all scar.
Off the scar.
That go all scar.
That's what I was thinking too.
Oh, but you get that Scar amp?
Listen, bro. I just had one scar 12 in that white kid right there.
Oh man, you should have heard my
That
Silver
motherfucker
Impala there,
found it,
bro.
bro.
You should have heard my Silver Impala. My
That
Silver Impala got
motherfucker
some
found
shit
it,
in it.
It ain't even hooked up.
The battery it's not hooked up to the.
Bro, what was 17
front.
at, bro?
Yeah, everything else hooked up.
What?
Oh yeah, shit. Can I hook it up? I'm gonna see what kind of thing it is. Let me see.
Look, they got a little tool for you.
Let me see.
Alright, man. It's hot as I don't know what. Who knows what. But ran into another hiccup, but we ain't leaving without the car. Reckless Flea is who I'm with. He say we ain't leaving without the car. So what's wrong with the car is the radiator fan or something. The fans, they got 2 fans. On the little tuner, they weren't coming on. On the little tuner, the fans weren't coming on. And when they go to try to hardwire it off a jump box, they won't get no power. So it's getting they're putting a new one on there. So the fan's bad. That's what we're waiting on now for them to put the new fans on. And what we just decided to do is go fill up. Fill up before we hit the road, or before they get done, so we can just hit the road. And man, if it ain't one thing, it's another. Last week we came and wasn't getting no fuel. This week we came, y'all seen by the clips, they started doing burnouts off the rip, try to load us up real quick, but try to load us up without doing a test drive. Like, what's up with that? How you gonna load us up? We ain't get no test drive. We go test drive, didn't even get off the street. So there go the show. Make sure you test drive. So yeah, we go to test drive. Try to do the same little donut they was doing, and the radiator hose popped off. Fucking leaked all the coolant. And we see smoke. We start smelling. You know how that coolant smell. And man, there goes some bullshit. That's what we say. There goes some bullshit. But yeah. Turns out the fans weren't coming on. So y'all know how that go. But we finna head back up to the shop, and hopefully they done. It's already 3, almost 4 o'clock. So hopefully they done. And I'll get back to you. I like this. Big blower. Ain't fitting right. I'm gonna go ahead and get the Durango though. This is shit on the Durango. I got these lugs for the Monte. Oop, I told y'all too much already. Y'all stay for the whole video, y'all know that. We got a sneak peek. Look, LS swap Nissan Altima. What, the LS here for real? No, I don't think so. Yeah, unless the LS4. Got the frame. Got the frame. I like this. With the steering wheel. Custom interior in this one. Out here. Hella G8s and hella fucking short beds. Hella G-bodies. When we get this, we hitting the road. Yeah. This one. Yeah, I'll see this car, all right. See, I can look in it. So we're gonna look in it. All right, I got the camera right a little bit. It's kind of blurry. Big turbo. This Camaro. Smaller intake than the one on the Monte. Pressure lines. This little setup, I don't know too much about it. Got the race pins. Got that clip in there. Nice little setup. This is my favorite one. Favorite one. Shit just looks so good. Don't it? Another SS. Camaro. With the red interior. Some type of race car type build going right here. Ain't got rain on, but see what's going on. Not too much. bottoms up under. What y'all think about the LS swap? 6.0. What y'all think about it? Get in that comment section. Let me know what you think about the 6.0 swap. If you look at the previous video, or 2 videos back, you'll see when we was finishing up our end of the build before it got shipped up to the LS swap shop. Came up with this finishing product. So let me know what y'all think, man. All right, guys, I got a pit stop. I'm gonna check these straps. It's been a long day. It's been a super long day. Hold on. Gotta make sure that's real tight, snug. Get up on here and check this chain. Is it still there? Got a little view up under here, y'all. Make sure it's good. Make sure everything good. Yeah. See, I be wrong for that. Like messed up on this part. Look at this. It's crazy. The strap came off. Then what happened when you let some motherfuckers just do this shit for you? You gotta get up on here and do it yourself. Yeah, look at that. All the way tight over there.